If you have pain in your mind or in your body that isn't going away, how do you deal with it? The old model is to try and fix the problem, which can be useful, but if the mind doesn't quieten down when you try and fix it, or if the pain in your body doesn't go away, you can then start resisting that pain. It shouldn't be here, I need to fix it. That leads to more agitation and tension. The new model of healing is to see your heart, mind, and body as one system, all interconnected. And in today's practice, we're going to explore a very simple and powerful tool that either you can keep coming back to this video, or eventually you can intuitively use this when you're experiencing pain in your mind, heart, or body. And the basic process we're going to do is sequential syncing. So instead of focusing on the pain itself, we're just going to focus on softening. And you may experience in today's practice, as you soften around the mind and the shoulders and the belly and the knees, that the pain that you were experiencing is now held in a bigger space. There's more softness. And so this is a beautiful power that you have to become your own healer in the midst of challenge. So this is a standing meditation practice, meeting feet together, hands by the sides, taking a breath here, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, breathing out, a bow. Breathing in, left hand picks up the left leg, breathing out, Qi Gong standing. Imagining there's a piece of string attached to the heavens, feel a lengthening of your spine, soft bend in the knees, the feet spreading, all four corners of your feet spreaded, grounded to the earth, the bum tucked, so not having the bum out, tucking the bum, relaxing the muscles around the bum. The hands are resting lightly on the top of the thighs. Let's take 5 slow, kind breaths together. Breathing in for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3. Softening the face. 5, 6. Breathing in. Down into the belly. Softening now. Breathing out. What do you need to let go of to truly arrive into this practice? Beautiful. Last breath, breathing in. And breathing out. And to begin with a check-in, being curious with what is here for you in your mind, in your heart, your feeling space, and in your body. And can you welcome yourself just as you are, allowing all that is here to be here, the ease and the tension. And if you're finding it hard to accept the tension, can you also accept that non-acceptance? That's okay for that to be there as well. And inviting sequential syncing, bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Imagining your awareness like soothing, pure water from a temple, blessed water, moving down your forehead, softening and sinking your forehead, cleansing, softening the eyes, softening the cheeks, softening the jaw, the tongue resting lightly on the roof of the mouth, the jaw relaxed. Feeling your whole face sink. Relaxing the throat. Relaxing the shoulders to get this fully, scrunching up the shoulders, lifting the shoulders, and allowing them to soften, sinking. Softening the chest, spine still long. Softening the belly. Noticing if you're sucking your belly in, allowing yourself to breathe in relaxation, allowing the breath to sink deep down into you. Feeling your belly push against your pelvis. Slow, deep, kind breaths. Softening your heart. Being present with your heart, maybe even tapping into your heartbeat. Allowing your heart to be just as it is. Softening tension, judgment. Bringing awareness now to the hips, softening and sinking around the groin. Your sex center, softening any tension that might be there. The bum muscles, the perineum, softening, sinking. Moving down the legs, the top of the thighs, sinking, softening. The hamstrings, sinking, softening. The knees, relaxed, allowing your skeleton to hold you. The shins and the calves, and the feet. Feeling yourself rooted, grounded to the earth. Feeling yourself held. Softening the mind, allowing the mind to be as it is. Inviting an embrace and a love for your mind, just as it is. Scanning once again from the top of the head, working down now in your own time, piece by piece, part by part, softening the tension that can be softened, being with and loving the tension or pain that doesn't move, allowing yourself to be just as you are. Working down the body, You are a system. Everything within you interconnected. As you soften the belly, you automatically send soothing signals through your whole nervous system. Be curious with how it feels. To gently soften, piece by piece, part by part, throughout your whole body. Now I invite you to find areas of tension, maybe in the mind, thinking and agitation that's not going, maybe in the heart, challenging feelings that aren't moving, or maybe in the body, chronic pain, injuries. And to gently and lovingly bring your awareness to that area in a way that you can work with. If it feels too much for you to focus on it, you could always come back to your breath or different parts of the body like your feet, rooted and grounded. As you approach that tension, can you simply be with it? Not trying to change it, but to welcome it. Say yes to it. Not yes, I want more tension, but yes, here you are. You too. You too have a place in this moment. Can you notice the space around the tension? Can you breathe into that space? Sending your breath into the space around the tension that you are feeling. And it's okay if the mind doesn't quite understand. It doesn't need to. Just inviting awareness and the space around the tension that you've been feeling. Notice as we are present with the tension that we are feeling, and we can stay with it. There's a softening, there's less bracing, less resistance. We don't multiply our pain. Just here is just okay. You're allowed to be where you are. And gently bringing your awareness now to the whole of your body, the whole system, taking yourself in one look, feeling your feet rooted, feeling your spine long, feeling your breath, taking yourself in one look. Your breath low in the belly, face relaxed. And if there are any words of wisdom coming from this space that could support you in navigating the challenge you've been facing, what are those words? What is a mantra, a sentence that you could repeat to yourself to remind you of this new possibility of being with, staying with? Sequential syncing. Repeating that sentence to you in your own mind. Bringing some movement to the body, perhaps some shoulder rolls. Still with your eyes closed, staying in that space. Changing direction. And gently opening your eyes, coming back into our space together. Ragdoll, arms are floppy. So I would love to hear in the comments down below, where did you feel tension and how was it to be with it? How was it to sequentially sync? Beautiful, opening the palms, waking up the neck. And if you go to peaceinsevenminutes.com, I've recorded a powerful meditation for you to enjoy where we explore energy, presence, and purpose. When you have energy and presence, how do you then show up in the world? If you go to peaceinsevenminutes.com, I think you're going to love it. And there's a video here if you enjoyed that practice. I think you'll really love this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button to join the movement. Balance is possible for you, for me, for humanity.